Are you serious right now? What the hell? Come back. Really? I'm gonna go out front. What is what the fuck? Like, really? Really? I'm gonna go out front. See how this looks like. I'm not kidding. The day I start YouTubing. The very first day. Look at this shit. It's already fucking raining. I know you can't see. Look at this. Really? Are you fucking kidding me? Wow. Wow. Just wow. What? What do you want, Molly? What? Sit. And it's thundering. Well, looks like I'm cutting down this garage here. Sorry for the noise, guys, but yeah. Well, where did my drink go? I put it. Oh, that's right. I put it in here. What is wrong with me? Talk about Ohio, Roman Atwood. Or, you know, I'm just gonna call you Roman. Alright? Talk about Ohio. You want to talk about Ohio? Let me talk to you about Missouri. Whatever weather there is, it might start or it might not. Can't believe it's raining. Well, it's before my parents left. I checked the you know how iPhones is that automatic weather app. Well, you know what I'm talking about, guys. Yeah, I got on that, and I checked the weather, and don't worry about the sirens. I just love this weather and all, but not today. Come on. And it's thundering too. As I was saying about the weather app, I got on there and I checked it out, and it's gonna rain this whole weekend. And not only is it gonna rain this whole weekend, it might rain through Monday through Friday. I just yeah, this is not cool, man. It's not cool. God damn. I don't know about you guys, but this weather is gonna drive me crazy now. But the good thing is, my phone is dry. I'm not outside like I was. But I wasn't just outside. I was in the garage. It's alright, guys. I'm just being a smart ass over here. I'm gonna go put this in the fridge. I really need a camera for this. Not for this, but I mean, like, what I'm saying is I need a camera for this YouTube, vlogs, whatever you want to call it. but I'm certainly not gonna call it vlogs. Um, if you wanna comment, you can. Unless, I guys want you guys to subscribe me. Not only because I'm not that good looking, but I just want subscribers. I want people that would understand me, understand the world, understand everybody. I just want a perfect life. Uh, I've been picked on a little bit. Um, it's I just want people to accept me for who I am. You know, it's just